This dance is called Same Questions Easy, EZ. It's by Alison Johnstone and myself. Great little beginner dance to the song Same Questions by Max McNown. Good little dance for any beginners wanting to move up or improvers, high beginners. They just want something nice and easy to do. There are 3 restarts. They're all very easy to do. Let's face the front. I'm going to run through the whole dance first with the words, the counts, and then I'm going to break it down to sections of 8 and this restart as well. Let's do it. Face the front with me. Weights on your left foot. We walk forward, right, left, shuffle, cha, cha, rock, forward, left, recover, back, shuffle, cha, 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 reverse, rocking chair, quarter turn to the right, we step, point left, step, point right, jazz box, 2, 3, 4, slide to the right corner, slide left, your rumba, shuffle back right, cha, 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 and rumba shuffle forward, left, cha, cha. Face the front with me one more time. We're going to run through the whole thing with the counts. Walking forward, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. There are 3 restarts with this dance, wall number 2, wall number 5 and wall number 10. Now the first 2 restarts will happen at 16 counts, which is the step, point, step, point. The third restart will be the jazz box step, which will take you 4 counts later into count number 20. First restart will happen at the back wall. We do start at your 3 o'clock direction. The third restart will happen at the 3 o'clock direction, which means we start at the front. And the third restart happens at the back direction, again, starting at 3 o'clock. Now, nice and easy restarts. We step forward, point to the left, point to the right, and restart. That's your first 2 restarts. At the back wall, number 2, and then also at the side wall, 3 o'clock direction, on wall 5. Now the last restart happens on wall 10 and you'll be facing the back to do this one. Now you continue on an extra 4 counts with the jazz box, cross, back, step, forward, and that's where you would restart there. So 3 restarts, wall number 2, 5 and 10, and they will occur on the back wall, our 3 o'clock wall, and the back wall again. We're going to run over this dance section by section with the words and the counts. Face the front with me. Let's do section 1. For section 1, we're going to walk forward with your right, walk forward with your left. We're going to do a little shuffle forward now. Due to the speed of the song, you don't have enough time to do a quick shuffle, so a little cha-cha-cha, right together, right, rock forward with your left, recover your weight back onto your right, and a back lock cha-cha, left, right, left. With the count, we walk 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. You've just run a little shuffle cha-cha back with the left. For section 2, we're going to go into a reverse rocking chair. Right foot rock back, recover your weight. Right foot rock forward, recover your weight. At this point here, you want to make sure your shoulder is starting to make a turn. That's where we're going to end up. Quarter turn, stepping on the right, we point to the left, stepping on the left, and we point to the right. Let's try it with the count. Face our front wall, weights on your left foot. We're rocking back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For section 3, you've just pointed your right foot out to the side. We're going across with a standard jazz box. Right foot in front, left foot back, right foot to the side, left foot forward slightly. Into the right corner, we're going to step and drag it in, and into the left, we're going to step and drag it in. Now with the count, from that right toe pointed to the side, your jazz box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rumba shuffle back for our last section. We step side, together, right foot going back, cha-cha step back, to the left we step side, together, and we're going forward, left and left, end of dance. So let's do it with a count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. You can take this video back to the beginning to watch the whole thing again, or any sections that you like. Remember, you can use the chapters in YouTube or the fast forward and rewind button. All right, have some fun with this one. It's called Same Questions, Easy.